we need to use two tools here, Wireshark and WhatsApp. And in step 1, 2, we need to download WhatsApp and Wireshark. In step 3, we need to run Wireshark. So we will run Wireshark, and I am using Wi-Fi, that's why enter in the Wi-Fi. Then I need to open terminal and search my IP. cmd IP config, and here this is my IP. Copy it, and then the manual say that IP, we need to paste the IP in the Wireshark filter in this format, ip.addr equal the IP address and star. I already typed it to save a little bit time. So copy it and again go in the Wireshark, and in the filter bar paste it, hit enter. Then open WhatsApp. I already take permission to my friend and call him. It's show ringing. Pick the call. Well, he picked the call and cut the call. And now the manuals say that we need to find here the binding request on length info. So open Wireshark, and here too many binding request. We need to pick the last one, 103.126.36.6. Open, and the manual says open browser and search what is my IP address, paste the IP there. I have already searched it, and now the binding request IP is 106.36.6. Hit enter. Well, the location says Rajshahi University of Engineering and Technology, Ruet, State Rajshahi, City Rajshahi, which is exactly correct because my friend is in Rajshahi and he study in Ruet. So this is the whole manual and the live demonstration of the project. Thank you.